Okay, so January 2016, Part C, Part 2, Question 11C, Part 2. I need to find the inverse of the matrix B. How do I know that? They asked me to determine B with a little negative 1 on top. As you remember from relation functions and graphs also, that little sign there is telling me that I'm looking for the inverse, okay? So the question also asks you to find the inverse. So in order to find the inverse of a matrix, we need to do two things. We need to find the determinant and we need to find the adjoint. In order to find the determinant, we need to multiply the terms A and D, the entries A and D, and we need to subtract BC from that, B multiplied by C. The adjoint of the matrix, we simply switch those two A and D entries and we make the B and C entries negative. Once we have found the determinant and the adjoint, we work out the inverse by multiplying 1 over the determinant and the adjoint. So let's go ahead and apply that to this matrix B. So first I'm going to find the determinant of B. This is the notation, right? So it is AD, which is 5 by 3, minus BC. 5 3s are 15, plus 0 minus 1 by 0 is 0. So the adjoint is simply, the determinant is simply 15. Let's find the adjoint. Adjoint of B, I switch these two entries and I make these negative. If it's negative or positive. So I'm simply multiplying both of them by negative 1, right? So that is your adjoint. In order to find the inverse now, B inverse, I multiply 1 over the adjoint by 1 over your determinant by the adjoint. So your inverse is 3 over 15, 1 over 15, 0, and 5 over 15. Obviously, we can reduce these to give us 1/5, 1 over 15, 0, and 1/3. I'm not sure if the reduction is going to help, but we can do it, so we go ahead and we do it. So that takes care of January 2016, question 11C, part 2.